Hello my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now friends. In this video we're talking about the Holochain price. The price changes occur in the Holochain, and I'm also talking about the very urgent update of Holochain. The currently last 1 hour, the last 1 day, the last 1 week price changes occur in the Holochain and the 24 we discuss. So keep watching this video till the end friends, and if you're new to my channel, so please make sure to subscribe AB's Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates friends. I know you subscribe my channel, so thank you so much for subscribing my channel friends. Anyways, let's start the video friends. First of all, we talk about the currently at this time price of the Holochain. As you can see here, 0.0014745 USD dollar at this time price of the Holochain. And if we talk about the price changes occur in the Holochain, so the last 1 hour, the last 1 day, the last 1 week, the whole changes occur in the Holochain has gone wrong friends. Negative friends, I mean that the negative things occur in the Holochain. That is why what should we do at this time friends? A lot of followers ask me this question, so I'm answering this question and this video friends. Keep watch. As you can see here, if we talk the price chart of the Holochain and the last 1 day friends, so as you can see here, over and over fast occur in the Holochain friends. So what's the next move of Holochain? I think that as you can see here, the fast down occurred in the Holochain and the last 18 hours friends. So I think that this fast continuously for next 2 hours or 4 hours, and after 2 hours, after 4 hours, there is a chances to take a jump in the future friends. After 2 hours and or after 4 hours, there is again chances to Holochain take a jump friends. What's your opinion? Please also share in the comment box friends. And if we talk about the price changes occur in the Holochain in the last 1 day, so negative 4.61% changes occur in the Holochain. And if we talk about the highest price of the Holochain, so 0.015868 USD dollar is the highest price of Holochain in the last 1 day friends. What's your opinion? Please share in the comment box, and kindly don't forget to subscribe AB's Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates friends.